When a guy likes a woman, he will pursue her, and then woo her. After a couple of days or weeks, he will tell her he likes her, and that he is in love with her. The next you know, the girl seldomly starts ignoring him. This dead-old routine tactics no longer works. If you want to make any girl fall head over heels in love with you, you need to do 5 out of the 6 things I will talk about in this video and forget about this tried and tested old tactics that doesn't work anymore. Let's get into the video. Number 5. Act mysterious. Don't rush things and don't always be available, so she can miss you. Guys, never ever make your intentions too clear to the girl you like. And don't be overeager to pour out your feelings. Always take your time and play it cool if you want to make her fall in love with you fast. Don't drop your commitments and give her all your attention all the time, because that's the easiest way to make a girl get bored of you really soon. Older women might appreciate a guy who's dropping his priorities to make time for her, but I can assure that a younger woman will immediately assume you're a boring guy who has all the time in the world to waste. Come to think of it, why would a strong masculine man spend his precious time hovering or trying to impress a woman, when he should be out there chasing money? Guys, women will avoid you when you are broke, but you can never lose women when chasing money. Running after her and showering all your attention on her is not going to give her the best impression of you. A girl will never want to seriously date a guy who behaves like her slave. This is the line that separates a weak guy deep in the friend zone and a masculine guy she'd want all to herself and date. Make her miss you, and when you're having an interesting conversation with her, tell her you have to go and hang up just when the conversation starts to get interesting. It's the easiest way to help her realize how much she needs you in her life. Doing this will make her chase you because she now sees you as someone who can complete her. Number 4. Show her that you are financially stable. Guys, women love conditionally. Only your mother can love you unconditionally. It does not take a genius to know that modern women prefer financially stable masculine guys with good socioeconomic status for long-term relationships. I know this might get some of you angry, but truth is, if you are broke and looking for love, you might never find it because women are never going to respect you. I know some of you might say, Hendrix, you are wrong. I know a lot broke guys that have women that are madly in love with them. That might be true, but I assure that if a wealthy masculine guy or someone who richer that the guy she is with asks her out, I can guarantee you that she will effortlessly dump him without thinking, and choose the other guy. Make money be above the average because women want the best of the best. Being financially stable will show her that you are capable and can share the load of rearing a family in the future and take care of her needs. By doing this, you will make any woman fall in love with you very fast. Number 3. Give her occasional surprises and let her know you are a dependable guy. Guys, if you still want to know how to make a woman fall in love with you fast, then you should start giving her occasional gift, because women love surprises. Surprises do not only mean sending gifts on special occasions. Instead, I want you to be thoughtful about your surprise gestures and surprise her with her favorite food, plan surprise dates with her, and also throw her surprise parties on special occasions. In addition, you can send her sweet messages even if are busy. This will make her see you as a priority, and not an option, because you are always trying to make her happy. She will definitely feel like the luckiest girl in the world, slowly and steadily, even before she realizes it herself. This will get her curious and interested and make her fall in love with you. Guys, help her when she needs something. Be the guy she can depend on to get her out of trouble. If she feels safe around you, or believes you're a guy who can handle any tough situation, you're already in her good books. Because women love it when a guy they're with has a protective streak. Number 2. Always look good and let her see that you have a life. Keep yourself busy and involve yourself in different activities. Go on out there and enjoy the world. It could be by trekking over the weekend, joining a few fun clubs, or even doing something with your masculine friends. Because the more interesting your life is, the more enamored by you she'll be. And, as I have said before, it's very important that you keep your own independence and hobbies outside the relationship you're in. Because if you let your life revolve around a woman because you like her, she won't take you serious. Doing this will only show that you are a clingy guy. Guys, I know you must have heard women say looks don't matter. But this is not true, because looks is every girl's biggest priority. It is definitely a perk if you can look fit and healthy. Work out, look healthy, dress well like a real man and smell nice. Because you'll make a much better impression on her every time you meet. Taking care of your hygiene and always looking nice will differentiate you from other men and make her fall for you. After all, nothing is more desirable to a woman than a decent, well-dressed man. Number 1. Avoid becoming clingy and don't show jealousy. Guys, never reveal that you're jealous to the girl you like if you want to make her fall in love with you, especially if she's getting a lot of attention from other guys who are trying to woo her at the same time. Always give her space, especially when you're trying to make her fall in love with you. Don't keep bumping into her intentionally, and avoid constantly staring at her each time she's talking to some other guy. I want you to stop calling her every night or texting her every few hours. Give her some space and give her the chance to miss you. Doing this will make her realize how bored she is without having you around. Back off for a day or two and wait for her to call you or ask you out to hang out. By making her do this, you are forcing her to woo you and try to get your attention. Doing this will only make a woman fall harder for you fast. I would like to hear your thought in the comment section. Like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.